Hey YouTube, thanks for watching my video on the Yamaha XT250 Dual Sport, the 13K miles refresh. And first thing I'm doing is putting a new front fender on and doing the mod where you move the lower front fender up to the top. But if you saw my intro video to this little action, I have a bolt broken off. These are the 4 bolt holes that attached, not this one actually, this bolt's broken off in there. And so I'm using a bolt extractor kit to get that out of there. Wish me luck. All right, bolt extraction complete. Got it out of that hole. Using that kit. Big thing is when you use a punch to make sure you use a punch and get it right in the middle, and everything else is pretty good. And there's the piece that I got out. And here's my old fender. I really hammered, and this was the wreck that busted that bolt off. And I'm gonna need to grab these grommets and these sleeves out of this one to put on my new one while I'm attaching the rear one. And so I'm really happy I got that bolt out. It was small, so a little bit difficult to get at as far as, you know, just things that small, making sure you tap a hole in the middle of it, and then using the screw extractor bit, which is a reverse bit. But hey, it all came out, and so next step is to put this high fender mod together. And I'll do another video about that. So as always on XT250 all day, ride safe everybody.